Hey there, hair enthusiasts! Ever wonder if the secret to luscious locks is in your kitchen? Surprise, it might be nestled between your tea bags. Today, we're diving deep into Nettle tea, an age-old remedy that's been turning heads in the hair care community. Ready to spill the tea? Let's dive in. What's with all the buzz about Nettle tea? Known as stinging nettle, it's a nutrient-packed powerhouse, a staple in herbal medicine for centuries. Packed with vitamins and minerals like iron, silica, and vitamin A, nettle tea is your hair's best friend, helping maintain those strong, healthy strands. Curious if it really works? Well, we put nettle tea to the test, and here's what we found. Making nettle tea is a breeze. Just steep some dried nettle leaves in boiling water, let it cool, and boom, a natural hair rinse ready to rejuvenate your locks. The cherry on top? It's completely natural, so you can ditch those chemical-laden products that can damage your hair over time. After adding nettle tea rinses to our routines, many noticed a dramatic drop in hair shedding. Imagine running fingers through hair without leaving a trail. Our hair didn't just feel stronger, it looked shinier and more vibrant. Those nettle nutrients nourish your scalp, boosting blood circulation and stimulating growth. It's like giving your scalp a nourishing drink packed with goodness. And here's a bonus. Nettle tea helps balance oil production. It's a potential game changer for those with oily scalps. Imagine hair that feels fresher and cleaner for longer. Sounds amazing, right? Now let's clear up a few misconceptions. Some folks think herbal remedies are just old wives' tales, but did you know about curcumin's role in hair growth? Research published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology highlights curcumin's role. So, while nettle hasn't had a starring role, don't underestimate nature's power. So, is nettle tea your next hair growth hero? It just might be. Remember, every great remedy needs consistency. Why not give it a try? See if it becomes your new hair care fave. You might stumble upon a delightful herbal ritual. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Subscribe for more natural tips and tricks. Got any personal nettle tea stories or other herbal remedies? Share them in the comments. We'd love to hear. Thanks for watching, and here's to happy, healthy hair days ahead.